I'm going to show you how to hard reset Itel model W6502 without PC. So let's start the process, and make sure you subscribe for more video and check the link below the description for how to bypass Google account on. Now let's start. You will press the down volume, but don't press it instantly. So what are you going to do? Press the power button like 2 seconds before press the down volume. But so press and hold on the power button like 2 seconds. Let me show you. Press and hold on the power button 2 seconds and press the volume down. When you see the screen light, leave the power button and hold on the volume down till you see this page. Use the down to move and the power as OK, and select factory reset here and press the power button, and come on factory reset and press the power button till now. Press the power to reboot your phone, and don't forget to check the link below the description to bypass this phone. Thank you to watch this video.